This is going to be a how-to juice video with the Omega. I'll have to mention the part number later. I'll show you how you put it together. First step, wash the sink with antibacterial soap and scald it out. This is not Method, I have some Dawn antibacterial in there. So some type of good soap. I scrubbed it with this clean sponge and then scald it out. I'll show you step number 2 in just a moment. Step 2. Step 1, we've already sanitized the sink. Step 2, sanitize the countertops. I really like this Lavender Method cleaner, but you can use anything. And then I wipe it down with just some water to make sure there's no residue on there for the food. We'll put together the juicer in just a moment, but I'll show you how I set up. I get out a clean towel. This will be to help drain the vegetables, and then I'll set up the juicer and the cutting board right in front of it. This is a cutting board we've never used for anything except raw vegetables. Never meat, never anything else, so that it doesn't accumulate bacteria. All right, so part 1, we already sanitized the sink. Part 2, sanitized the counter, got out the stuff for prep, cutting board. I'll show you the juicer setup later. The sink, we've got celery, carrots, beets, some ginger. I think the ginger soaked to the bottom. Here it is. This is what ginger should look like. Smooth, fresh looking. And when you go to the store, it's like a big giant hand of ginger. You just cut off or break off what you need. The carrots, if there's any, we'll let them soak, and then you just cut off that little end, after it soaks. That whole carrot's good to juice now. Celery, let me show you how I did the celery. Because we're making a big batch for ourselves and several friends. So this is organic celery. It's best if you can get organic juice because everything's concentrated. Celery, I would just cut off the bottom a little bit. And then those pieces are loose. Drop them right in. The next one loosens them up. That's the easiest way to prep celery for washing. Drop them all in. The sink, we're going to fill up about half a sink full of water. I don't usually measure the vinegar, it doesn't matter. But I wanted you to get some idea of how much I might use. So about a cup of vinegar since we're doing a bunch of vegetables. White vinegar. And then we're also going to do some turmeric or curcumin. Turmeric fresh. This is one of the most anti-inflammatory foods that exist. It's just incredible. This turmeric is pretty good. It's not as fresh, but it's not bad. So we'll drop it in. We don't want to put too much because it's really strong, but we'll do that much. And then I'm going to put a little bit more ginger for this whole batch. We'll also do some pineapple and some apples. Here's the other ginger I'm going to do. I'll put, since we're making quite a bit, that much more ginger. And just a tip on the carrots, out of Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Kroger, Publix, all the places. You need a lot of storage for a bag this big, 25 pounds, but it's the most economical and seems to be the best quality. So we bought extra and split them with my mom. You can also juice beet tops. Like if I were going to juice these tops, which I might include a few, I wouldn't do these, the wilted ones, but these fresher, greener ones I would juice. This juice is also going to have some kale. This was already washed and prepped. Okay.
And some spinach.